how to turn this pic into this and this into this. With just one click, you will be able to transform any portrait image into vector art or cartoon. You just have to click a button, and the AI will automatically create a cartoon of yourself, and it's free by the way. This trick works both for Android and iOS. Let's dive into it. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Okay, to make a cartoon for yourself or any other person, just click the first link from the description. I have already installed the app, so let's open it. Allow everything that pops out. Okay, you can select the image that you want to vectorize from here if it's available. Otherwise, you can simply click the plus icon. Now again, you can either click a new photo from here, but I won't do that for now as I have already clicked a picture of my choice. So let's click this and select the picture. Let's select this. The AI will analyze and detect faces. After it's detected, you can adjust the size. Remember, the closer the face, the good the result will be. After that, click OK. That's it, your face will be made into a cartoon, but that's not enough, you have plenty more features that we'll explore now. Okay, now, click the X and close this. Here, you can change your background color. They also have different effects to choose from. There are few backgrounds that are paid, but free backgrounds are good enough. Besides this, you can also erase some unwanted areas or parts from your vectorized image. This can be used sometimes when there are slight errors in the results which may have some additional lines or patches. After you've selected your background, click the tick mark. Now, there are two ways you can save the image for free. The first is to simply screenshot the image, and the second one is to click the share icon and click save, but saving will have the watermark. We can remove the watermark as well for free. Simply go to your gallery or photos and then select the screenshot photo and crop out the unwanted parts. Similarly, you also crop out the watermark from the saved image. The paid version will give you a very high quality image, but people like us who go for freebies are satisfied with this.